Kaya pa lang ba yan?
Don't forget to follow and subscribe po sa Cloudnet Pulilan at big shoutout kay Woods Reyes at John Kevin De Jesus watching live.
Si Vidal Trinidad naglalaro po sa Manila.
Ano ka lang yun, Devo?
Mga pro league. Matagit player po ng Kapatid. Ngayon 7-2, susunod 7-5. Papalaki na panlaki bayad na.
Ayaw kasi bigyan niya.
Soriano on the field and MJ Imo play. Pass again to Soriano using the Gladian score. Pass to number 34. Number 34, bumalik. Pumalik ka no good. And to Soriano, the teardrops no good. And the put pa rin. Isa pa kay Pati. Soriano is no pa rin. Soriano, pass again to Pati. Cross pass kay RC. Wide open. Back to the good. And the put back is served Pati. Marinas, Pastor Soriano, ibigay ito pa. Pati Polpig, yes sir, with Pati. Pastor again, Pati on the way, yes sir. Number 35, Pastor again to, and a foul. Tatlo kumuyog. 16.
Mamaya mapakan yung mulo.
First person upon number 16 and first team foul. First shot, ni Pati, is good. And the second throw, ni Pati, sir, the lucky bounce. Full brace, Pastor Ako, Pastor Gito RC, Pastor number 34, Pastor Gito number 35, Soriano umikot out of the need, no good. Pastor Gito number 35, Pastor Gito number 16, umangat, using the glass and score. RC set up and gave the bounce in number. This is the foul number 0 and second team foul. Shot clock, 16 seconds to shoot, 16 seconds. RC receiving the ball, number 34. Number 34 puts it up, 1-3, no. Yan, hawak ka naman. Ball number 0.
Pag binira ka niya, ewan ko na siya, baka mo.
Second person of ball number 0 and third.
Bigyan mo!
Number 0. Ako on the way, no! Ayan, libre ka na dyan. 7-2.8. Asakin to Pati again, yes sir. On the field.